leader wherever they go. Tiny feet tap on the muddy track. Quack, quack, chorus, no turning back. Ducks in a row, splash and play, paddle together through the day. Waddle, wobble, sing so low, happy ducks in a row. Mama ducks watch with gentle eyes, little ducklings chase the skies. Over lily pads and under reeds, they find adventure where the water leads. Ducks in a row, splash and play, paddle together through the day. Waddle, wobble, sing so low, happy ducks in a row. A frog leaps high, a dragonfly flies, clouds drift slow across blue skies. Feathers fluffed and soft beaks glow, they snuggle close when breezes blow. Ducks in a row, evening glow, homeward bound, it's time to go. Moon above and pond below, sweet dreams, little ducks in a row. Sing along with kids.
Sunshine beamed and skies were clear, and his birthday day was here. He wore a hat with stars and dots, and set the table full of spots. And his birthday party time, filled with laughter, cake and rhyme. Balloons above and games below, let the celebration grow. Fox brought gifts and bear brought cake, monkey danced for the party shake. They played some tunes and clapped along, then sang a big happy birthday song. And his birthday party time, filled with laughter, cake and rhyme. Balloons above and games below, let the celebration grow. They took a ride on the birthday train, through jelly hills and candy rain. Every friend gave cheer and cheer, it's Panda's favorite day of year. Panda's birthday, hip hooray, he'll remember every play, with hugs and joy from every guest. Panda's party was the best.
Sing along with kids. Splish splash goes the water wide, Panda takes a soapy slide, with rubber ducks and bubbles bright. He laughs and wiggles left to right. Panda's bath time song, hooray, washing all the dirt away. Scrub a dub and spin around, in the tub where joy is found. He scrubs his belly, toes and nose, then makes a beard with sudsy flows. The bubbles rise like fizzy cheer, he pops them one by one so clear. Panda's bath time song, hooray, washing all the dirt away. Scrub a dub and spin around, in the tub where joy is found. Sing along with kids. Panda woke up with a wiggle and a bounce, twirled on his toes with a jiggly pounce. He tapped his paws on the soft green ground, spinning in circles round and round. He swayed with the bamboo tall and wide, then slid on the grass for a leafy ride. He clapped his paws and gave a prance, oh what fun, it's the bamboo dance. He twirled to the left and jumped to the right, dancing and laughing in the morning light. With a little bow and a panda pose, he plopped down giggling, touching his toes. Sing along with kids. One bright day with sky so blue, Panda waved the clouds adieu. He climbed into a balloon so round, and slowly floated off the ground. Panda's balloon ride up so high, drifting puffy pillowed ride. He sailed above the mountain tips and waved at whales with rainbow flips. The wind sang songs of far-off lands as Panda steered with tiny hands. Panda's balloon ride up so high, drifting through the painted sky. Breezes hum and eagles glide on his puffy pillowed ride. With dancing tails and dolphins soaring like fairy tales. Together they loop through skies so wide, on breezes where daydreams like to hide. Panda's balloon ride, don't be through, there's still so much more sky to view. With wonder wide and eyes so bright, he floats into the starry night.
In a basket neat, bamboo sandwiches, what a treat. He brought some berries, round and red, and honey on toast with banana to spread. He skipped to the meadow with the blanket so wide and laid it down by the riverside. Birds flew near and rabbits hopped in. "Can we join too?" they said with a grin. "Of course," said Panda, "plenty to share." So they all sat down in the warm spring air. They laughed and nibbled, played peekaboo, then sipped on tea made of flower dew. As the sun dipped low and the sky turned gray, Panda smiled, what a perfect day. Above his head, Panda on a scooter wee, rolling fast and wild and free. Over bumps and through the breeze, he scoots with joy and Panda ease. He zipped past ducks and waved at bees, did a spin beneath the trees. Bunny cheered and ran to say, "Teach me how to ride today." Panda on a scooter wee, rolling fast and wild and free. Over bumps and through the breeze, he scoots with joy and Panda ease. He slowed it down and showed each friend how to scoot and twist and bend. Now the whole crew rolls along.